So sit beautifully, always remember, sit beautifully, sit beautifully. Because I'm a trauma therapist and because I'm actually an ex-drug addict and alcoholic, those two things come together really beautifully right now, which is I'm 30 years clean and sober. But that doesn't mean I don't want to be off my head. It doesn't mean I don't want to be high. Flow between how we're feeling in our body, what we're thinking, how we're thinking, what we're feeling. We can change how we think by changing how we feel. Also, it doesn't mean I don't want to be really still and really peaceful, like you have no idea. This one's very soothing. We'll do 3 minutes. This is a very lovely breath, and we'll do 4 seconds.
Your breath capacity will extend, and that's what does happen.
There can be really serious cults of thought around the breath, and personally, I think they're bonkers.
Hold the breath and just go bang, lie down. I mean, don't bang your head, but hold the breath and lie down with the breath held, and just go soft.
So looking at breath from lots of different perspectives.
So imagine you're going to be sitting, leaning back like you're holding a tray.
There are so many different ways to explore the breath. And so that's full lung capacity, half lung capacity, and then a third. And because we're doing it together, even though we're spread around the world, we can go so much further in ourselves because we're together than we ever would on our own. Am I going too fast? I promise I haven't had coffee. I've just had a very energetic morning. Okay, it's very brave and fearless to keep doing Zoom workshops during this time, but actually it's such an opportunity.